Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the light cashmere, dark cashmere, leather appointed seat trim, seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, pedals, power adjustable for accelerator and brake, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, wheels, 4/18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, skid plate. Package, convenience package, All-Star Edition, wheels, 4/17 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, rear vision camera, suspension package, off-road, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.